Cool. Guys, look at all this. I wish I can. Is it rollerblade or? Is this rollerblade or roller skate?
Blades.
Rollerblades.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. Hi guys. On my way to work, and I just saw those group of people rollerblading. So I decided to show you. That was cool to. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Chefuya here. Guys, I just came from the supermarket, right? And guys, I'll tell you, I bought, this is what I picked up, okay? My smoked turkey. I'm gonna make some beans. So guys, I went for just this cassava because I'm gonna make some banku, and I'm gonna blend this to put in my my condo. I'm gonna blend the cassava to put in my condo to make the banku. So I just went to the store to get this, and I was like, let me cook some beans. And then I saw that they have a sale on the tuna, and then I need to stock up. I was like, I need to get some peanuts for my peanut soup later, and I'll be making some light soup. So I was like, I'm out of turkey, so I was like, let me get me a turkey. And then I was like, if I'm gonna make some beans, you need some plantains. So I picked up plantains, and then I picked up the banana, the green one too, because sometimes my husband likes to eat the plantain and the beans stew with plantain. So yeah, so these are all the stuff I picked up just going for this, and I ended up picking up all this. Yep. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Later. Hey guys, I'm gonna cook my beans. I'm gonna cook it for like an hour, and then I will cook it. So we'll make some bean stew for dinner. Bean stew and some plantains for dinner, and a little bit of rice on the side. Yes. So guys, I'm about to clean this, peel the skin and blend it and start making my banku. Guys, so my banku is ready. Look how many banku I had. Yep. Guys, I'm over here making some bean stew, one of our favorite. Yep. Yep, we're having beans for dinner.
you never really get that point here. You can get your size because the waist is a lot.
Yeah, guys. So I'm bagging my can of sugar right here. My mom made that for me. I'm so happy. This came right on time. I saved my coffee jar so I can put this in. But thank you guys so much. Thank you for the birthday wishes, guys. You guys are awesome. This is why I love YouTube. You meet new people, new great people on YouTube all over the world that will support you, encourage you. Oh, this shooter is going to last me for maybe about maybe 3 months. My husband loves shooter. Hey guys, I just dropped my daughter off from school. I am tired. I've had a stressful morning. I need coffee right now. Ay. Yeah, guys, I need me like a big cup of coffee right now. Yes. Guys, husband is gonna get me some coffee. Babe, any croissant to know will be good.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we are back. I'm back home. Daniel, I had to change school for Daniel, so we went and got to the new school to get the forms. So yeah, we had to go to the new school to get the paperwork and stuff. So yeah, Lucy was late going to school, and yeah, it was just stressful, and I'm tired because I came straight from work and we went. I'm about to eat breakfast now. It's about 10:45, and yeah, on our way coming, stopped by. My husband stopped by the coffee shop, and we got me some coffee, and then he had to go to work. So yeah, that's how my morning went. Alrighty, thanks for watching Chef Yes channel.